In this tutorial, I will show you hand tool and rotate view tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access hand tool from here. Shortcut is H. So this is hand tool. Hand tool, pan over the canvas and artboard. You can see this is hand cursor after accessing hand tool. So you can move the artboard and canvas using this. Just click and drag and you can move it. You can, if you select selection tool and then hold down space from the keyboard, you can see selection tool will be temporarily converted to hand tool. So in this way you can easily shortcut way you can access hand tool. Also here is rotate view tool, which shortcut is Shift plus H. I am accessing this tool. So rotate view tool is, it rotates the canvas and all artboards on it. It will rotate the canvas and all artboards on it. So if you see you want to rotate this canvas or artboard in clockwise, you can just click and drag and you can see this is rotate. It is rotating the canvas or artboard. Now consider if you here this is 31.75 degree. So it not in constant. So if you hold on then shift, it will automatically going to the nearest constant proportion, and this increment will be 15 degree. Each time it will constant proportion rotate will be 15 degree when you will hold down shift from the keyboard. So I am again, it is rotating and I am holding down shift and you can see it is immediately gone to 60 degree. So if you can see this is, I cannot place in definite way. So I am holding down shift and it is immediately going to 90 degrees and straight. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.